Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you are fine. We are going to discuss some important short question for class 10th. Question number 1, what are numerator and denominator? Answer, products are written as numerator and reactants are written as denominator. Question number 2, write name of any 4 acids. Answer, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, hydrochloric acid. Question number 3, give characteristic of oligosaccharides. Answer, they are white crystalline solids, they are easily soluble in water, they are also sweet in taste, they may be reducing or non-reducing. Question number 4, why orchids produce alkanes? Answer, orchid plants produce alkanes to pollinate their flowers and to attract butterflies. Question number 5, what are alkynes? Give its general formula. Those hydrocarbons in which triple bond is present between two carbon atoms. The general formula is CnH2n-2. Question number 6, write the formula for urea. Answer, H2NCOH2. Question number 7, describe carbohydrates as source of energy. Answer, we take carbohydrates as food, they provide us energy. The glucose is absorbed directly by small intestine into bloodstream. Bloodstream transports the glucose to its place of use, for example muscles. Question number 8, what are the addition reactions? Answer, these are the reactions in which the products are formed by the addition of some reagents like H2, Cl2, etc. to an unsaturated organic compounds. In this process, one of the bond of a double bond gets broken and two new single bonds are formed. Question number 9, write a note on cryptosporidium. Answer, the microorganisms protozoa are produced by water that causes gastrointestinal illness, cryptosporidiasis, such as diarrhea and vomiting. Question number 10, why are plants dying day by day? Answer, acid rain increases the acidity of the soil. Many crops and plants cannot grow properly in such soil. Their growth is retarded and they get dry and die. Question number 11, what are dysentery and typhoid? Answer, dysentery is an intestinal disease which is typically caused by certain bacteria or parasites, while typhoid is a dangerous bacterial disease often spread by contaminated water. Question number 12, why it is advised to switch off coal or gas heater? Answer, coal or gas heater produces carbon monoxide CO. When it is inhaled, it binds with the hemoglobin mass strongly with oxygen, thus hindering the supply of oxygen in the body. If inhaled for a longer time, it results in breathing difficulties and ultimately death. This is the reason why burning is not allowed in closed places. Question number 13, define scum. Answer, in hot water, calcium and magnesium ions react with the soap molecules to form an insoluble precipitate of calcium and magnesium salts of fatty acids called scum. Question number 14, define leaching process. Answer, cultivation of crops causes these chemicals from fertilizers and pesticides to seep into the groundwater, commonly called leaching process. Question number 15, write a note on granulation of urea. Answer, in this stage, liquid urea is spirated to form granules. When liquid urea is sprayed from tower at high pressure and current of warm air is entered, then it evaporates to form granules and it is stored in market. Question number 16, write uses of nitric acids. Answer, nitric acid is used for manufacturing of fertilizers, explosives, paints, drugs and etching designs on copper plates. Question number 17, when acid react with carbonates and bicarbonates, which gas evolves? Answer, when acid react with carbonates and bicarbonates, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Question number 18, where are the proteins found? Answer, they are major components of cells and tissues of animals, muscles, skin, hair, nails and wools and feathers, etc. Question number 19, differentiate between oil and ghee. Answer, oil are triglycerides of unsaturated fatty acids and they exist in liquid form at room temperature, while ghee, fats, exist in solid form at room temperature and they are triglycerides of saturated fatty acids. Question number 20, depending upon the nature of bonds, name the classes of hydrocarbons. Answer, on the basis of type of bonds, hydrocarbons are divided into following classes: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Question number 21. Describe two properties of water that makes it an excellent solvent. Answer. Two properties of water that make it an excellent solvent are polarity of water molecules and a unique property of hydrogen bonding. Question number 22. What do you mean by boiler scales? Answer. Hot water is unfit for use in boiler because insoluble calcium and magnesium salts are deposited inside, which is called boiler scale. Question number 23. What is Bessemerization? Answer. It is further heating of the molten matte in a pH-shaped Bessemer converter. Question number 24. Write the uses of calcium oxide. Answer. It is used as dyeing agent for gases and alcohol. It is used in water treatment and steel making. Question number 25. Define polysaccharide with two properties. Answer. Polysaccharides are macromolecular carbohydrates consisting of hundreds to thousands of monosaccharides. They are amorphous and insoluble in water, H2O. Question number 26. What are ozone hole? Where was it noticed first? Answer. The region in which ozone layer depletes is known as ozone hole. Signs of ozone hole were first noticed over Antarctica. What is the percentage of nitrogen in urea? Also write its formula. Urea contains 46.6% nitrogen and its formula is NH2CONH2. Question number 28. Write four natural systems of our Earth, only names. Answer. Our planet, the Earth, has four natural systems: the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Question number 29. How waterborne diseases can be prevented? Answer. Waterborne diseases can be prevented by taking following treatments. Drinking water must be properly treated and purified. There must be adequate sanitary disposal of sewage. There must be a strict control over the use of pesticide and other chemicals. Question number 30. Add the formulae for MATE and urea. Answer. MATE Cu2S.FeS and urea NH2CONH2. These are some important short questions related to paper preparation. Hope it will be helpful for you. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.